Here we are again, doing what we love to do. We are in Waterville Valley in New Hampshire, and we're doing Mount Tecumseh today. I did this hike a few years ago in the winter, but didn't get any views of the peak because of the weather, so figured we'd revisit it, see what we missed. About a 5-mile total hike, being the wingman, filled with some the big views at the peak. It's pretty much all uphill, just straight up the whole time. But Chewie's excited, I'm excited. Let's get moving, pup. Cool little water crossing. I love listening to the sound of the running water when you're out in the middle of nowhere. Soothing. The climbing starts. Yeah, let's find the trail. Alright. Beautiful area, a little slippery. I do not want to fall again. Not after what happened last year. Oh wow. See, it's not just the mountain peaks, it's places like this. Just those little hidden gems, you know what I mean? It's not all about the mountains. Right, pup? Oh, good boy. Well, we got a view over here on the ski trail. Might as well take a look. Last time me and Chewie did this on the way down from this winter hike, he went into snow that was like 3-4 feet deep, and he was like stuck like a bug in a rug. It was funny. It'd be cool to compare how it was that day, almost 4 years ago, to now. Oh wow. I couldn't see any of that last time because it was snowing. Oh, what a beautiful view. Stay here, Papa. Good boy. Oh, beautiful. Not sure if we get to see that at the top or if it's the other side. Like I said, I don't remember because I was bogged in with snow. But it's quite a trail. I'm gonna say Black Diamond, but beautiful views, especially when you're skiing. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's why we do it, right? That's why we share this. There's nothing better than nature's beauty and what it has to offer. I saw this little side trail, and it's actually the ski lift. Nice. Another little hidden gem. Oh wow. Before you know it, the snow will be here. These things will be up and running, and we'll be winter hiking. Huh. And the clock works. Yeah, we were just down that way a little. Pretty cool. Wildflowers. I'm sure there's a lot of ticks, snakes, but beautiful views. I mean, we could really take this down if we wanted to cut through a little bit. Maybe we'll make an adventure out of it later. We'll see. Alright, get back on the trail. Hey, bub. Okay, just leaving the summit. Really glad we revisited this hike and got to see what we missed that day a few years ago. Really nice views. A lot of the 4,000 footers in the distance. Just great views for miles. That's why we do it. We might take that top of the ski area, half a mile. I don't know, I'm gonna think about that later. Yeah, we're gonna be adventurous. I'm gonna take the Sauceman Trail down to the top of the ski, where the ski trails are at the very top of the ski mountain, and I think we'll take a ski trail down. At least we'll be out in the open and won't be bogged down in the woods for the whole way down, you know what I mean? So we'll give it a go. It's a half mile on this trail to the top, so we'll see how it goes. And I'm hoping this is the best way to go, foot traffic wise. If not, we'll just go back that way. Oh, here's the opening. I think we'll be okay. Like I said, I just don't want to be in 3-foot high grass, but I think enough people do this. There's just plenty of wear. You just go straight down. That's what we're gonna do. Whew. Yeah, look, I could look at that on the way down instead of being in the woods. I mean, it's the right move. Oh, and I can look up the trail since we have service. I can see which the best ski trail to go down for us. Tree line or scramble? Scramble sounds pretty cool. Or tree line. I think they connect at the bottom. But we'll stay to this side. Yeah, we'll make our way all the way down. This will be interesting. Pretty cool. Right, Papa? Yeah. Chewie is having a ball. He is just zigzagging. I know he's looking for small animals, but it is so fun watching him. Just zigzagging along. Oh, look, the ski lift is going. I wasn't expecting to see that. They must be getting ready. I'm sure they don't have rides up here during this time of year. I know Mount Cannon does, and we'll be there next week. It's pretty nice being the only ones up here. And that's where we're coming down from. Wow, went by quick. Beautiful area. This is really a treat. See what's up over this hill here, because we'll just continue the main. This looks like the main route down. I can even look at the map over here too, so pretty cool. Come here, Chewie. Come on, Bubba. Let's check this out. Huh. Pretty cool. Main Street, that's where we are. Schwendy Hut. Just make us straight down Whitecap. Boom. All right. Let's do this. All right, well, made it down in one piece. A couple of slips from the steepness and being on the grass, but not too bad. Definitely feel it in the knees after going down like that, but yeah, that was an adventure. Enjoyed that. Come on, Chewie. I'm just gonna make our way back to the parking lot down here and call it a day. Life is good. Great hike. These views all the way down. Life is good. And we will be coming back soon. I think I'd like to do this again and bring a butt sled and do some butt sledding on the way down off one of the side of the trails. That would be quite the experience. But that's about it for this hike. So till the next time, happy trails. Be safe out there. See you next time. Right, Chew? Yeah, it's getting warm. Glad we're done. All right, happy trails, everyone.
Hey, folks. Hey. Hey there. Okay. You're the camera guy.
Cameraman. I'm just the videographer. I just put them together. Yeah.